All right, tech enthusiasts and 3D printing lovers, this one's for you. If you're looking to dive into the world of 3D printing without breaking the bank, you've come to the right place. Today, we're counting down the top 5 best budget 3D printers that offer fantastic features at a price that won't hurt your wallet. Don't forget to check out all the product links in the description below and visit techadvice.com for more in-depth reviews and comparisons. Let's get started. Hey friends, whether you're a newbie looking to start your 3D printing adventure or a seasoned maker on a budget, I've got something special for you. In this video, we're going through 5 incredible budget-friendly 3D printers that pack a punch. With so many options out there, finding the perfect printer can be overwhelming, but worry not. I'm here to make it easier for you. Number 5. First up, we have the Flashforge Adventurer 5M 3D printer. This bad boy is perfect for those who want a hassle-free experience. It features one-click automatic printing and fully auto-leveling, making sure you get flawless first layers every time. No more manual adjustments. The Adventurer 5M boasts ultra-fast printing speeds of up to 600 mm/s. Thanks to its Core XY structure and 20,000 mm/s to the power of 2, this means you can create high-precision prototypes in no time. What I love about this printer is the smart and efficient design. It has a quick 3-second nozzle change and a dual-sided PEI platform for easy removal of prints. Plus, the 280 DDC direct extruder and multiple nozzle sizes ensure top-tier print quality, which you can monitor in real time using the FlashMaker mobile app. Imagine the convenience of checking your print progress from your phone. Priced at $279.00, this printer offers incredible value for money. It's ideal for rapid prototyping and mass production, making it a versatile addition to any maker's arsenal. The Adventurer 5M is a solid choice for both beginners and experienced users. Plus, with over 2,400 ratings and a 3.9-star rating on Amazon, it's clear that many users appreciate its performance and features. Number 4. Next on our list is the Flashforge 3D printer AD5M. This beauty is a powerhouse with its ultra-fast 600 mm/s Core XY printing capabilities. It's perfect for those who need speed and efficiency for rapid prototyping and high-volume production. The one-clip auto-leveling feature ensures a perfect first layer, saving you time and frustration. The AD5M is equipped with a high-temperature direct drive extruder reaching up to 280 DGC and has dual cooling fans for precise, clean details. The quick-swap nozzle system and multiple nozzle sizes allow you to balance speed and precision without compromising quality. You can also monitor your prints remotely via the FlashMaker app, making it super convenient to manage your project. At $279.00, this printer is a steal, especially considering its advanced features. And guess what? It's on sale from its original price of $349.00. With a 4.4-star rating and over 500 reviews, the AD5M is highly praised for its performance and reliability. If you're looking for a budget-friendly printer that doesn't skimp on features, this is a fantastic option. Number 3. Coming in at number 3 is the Anycubic Photon Mono 4. This resin 3D printer is perfect for those who need high-dissolution prints. It features a 7-inch 10K mono LCD screen with an impressive resolution of 9024 x 5120 and a 17x 17M pixel size. This means you can create models with exceptional detail and dynamic richness. The Photon Mono 4 uses Anycubic's light turbo matrix light source technology, which provides stable and uniform lighting to reduce layer lines and rasterization. Combined with a generous build volume of 6.04 x 3.42 x 6.49, you have plenty of space to tackle various projects. The laser-engraved print platform improves adhesion and makes the removal process simple and smooth. At just $159.99, down from $249.99, this printer is an excellent value. It's user-friendly with a 4-point leveling method that requires no repeated leveling after the initial setup. With a 4.2-star rating from 126 reviews, the Photon Mono 4 is a great choice for anyone looking to print highly detailed models on a budget. Number 2. Our runner-up is the 3D printer for kids, beginner 3D printer with 8 PLA filament set. This printer is perfect for families and beginners, offering an effortless 3D printing experience with its smart app and one-clip printing. It's compatible with iOS, Android, and Windows, making it accessible for everyone. Plus, voice commands add a fun twist to printing. This small but mighty printer delivers professional-grade prints with 0.05-inch accuracy at speeds up to 200 m/s. The Quick-Solume nozzle ensures smooth and consistent printing every time. With access to a vast library of over 1,500 digital designs and 15-plus theme design modules, the creative possibilities are endless. Priced at $254.98, down from $329.99. This printer is a fantastic value for families and beginners. It includes everything you need to start your 3D printing journey, from the printer itself to 8 PLA filaments and various tools. With a 4.2-star rating from 252 reviews, it's clear that users love its ease of use and performance. Number 1. Finally, at the top of our list, the ultimate budget-friendly 3D printer goes to the Flashforge Adventurer 5M 3D printer. This printer is a game-changer with its one-clip automatic printing and fully auto-leveling features. It boasts ultra-fast printing speeds of up to 600/s and 20,000/s to the power of 2 acceleration, thanks to its Core XY structure. With a smart and efficient design, the Adventurer 5M offers quick 3-second nozzle changes, a high-flow nozzle, and a dual-sided PEI platform for easy removal of prints. The 280 DEGC direct extruder and multiple nozzle sizes ensure top-tier print quality, which you can monitor in real time using the FlashMaker mobile app. This printer truly makes the printing experience seamless and enjoyable. At $279.00, this printer is an unbeatable value for its features and performance. It's perfect for rapid prototyping, mass production, and creative projects. With a 3.9-star rating from over 2,400 reviews, the Adventurer 5M is a crowd favorite and a worthy investment for any maker. All right, that's a wrap, folks. Thanks for joining me on this exciting countdown of the top 5 best budget 3D printers. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share it with your fellow tech enthusiasts. All product links are in the description below, so be sure to check them out. For more reviews and comparisons, visit techadvice.com. Happy printing, and I'll see you in the next video.